Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Zone Wars. This exciting game mode is perfect for honing your combat skills and practicing intense end-game situations. You will drop into a small map with a rapidly closing storm, forcing quick decisions and constant engagement. Our goal is to help you understand the core mechanics and develop winning strategies to outlast your opponents and secure victory. To gain an early advantage, focus on your drop. Land swiftly in a spot with good loot potential, aiming for at least 150 wood, 150 brick, and 150 metal. Quickly grab a reliable assault rifle, shotgun, and healing items. Then, establish a strong defensive position, ideally on elevated terrain, giving you a clear view of the approaching storm and other players. During the mid-game, mastering rotations is crucial. Pay close attention to the storm's next circle, anticipating its movement to stay ahead. Utilize natural terrain and build structures like one-by-one boxes or ramp pushes to safely traverse the map. Avoid unnecessary fights. Only engage when you have a significant advantage, such as a height advantage or a clear shot on an exposed opponent, conserving your valuable resources. As the game progresses into the late stages, maintaining high ground becomes paramount. With the zone shrinking rapidly, having the vertical advantage allows for better vision and control. Conserve your remaining building materials, using them strategically for quick edits, defensive walls, or aggressive pushes. Focus on precise eliminations, aiming for headshots and quick finishes to outplay your final opponents and claim a well-deserved victory in Zone Wars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.